Hi guys, welcome to Trading Pathashala. Today in this video I am going to explain what is a stock exchange and can we buy and sell in different stock exchanges. So what is the advantages by doing that or disadvantages? Let me go through an examples. Okay, so before coming to a point, so I'm just going to explain what is an exchange. See, exchange is a place where two parties like buyers and sellers will come and they will complete their transaction. Whereas in stock exchange, so two parties like buyers and sellers will come to a place and complete their transaction with the support of brokers. Okay, so in India there are totally 23 stock exchanges. Okay, whereas in that the major and now the actively traded exchanges are NSE and BSE. Okay, so NSE is a national stock exchange and BSE is a Bombay Stock Exchange, and NSE Nifty represents NSE and Sensex represent BSE. In NSE the volatility will be high and in BSE the volatility will be very low. So this help us to make some decent money of profits. Okay, this help us to make a decent money of good profits. Okay, so let's go with an example. So see, for example, I will go with Axis Bank. See, Axis Bank, see, this is BSE. Wherever it is mentioned like BSE, that is all BSE companies. Without mentioning anything, that is called NSE, and that is all NSE listed companies. Okay, so see, you can go with Axis Bank. So Axis Bank price is around see 613.15 paisa, and Axis Bank BSE price is so 13.45 paisa. So BSE price is higher than the Axis NSE price, right? So almost 30 paisa. So let's go with the Bajaj Finance. So Bajaj Finance, see, now Bajaj Finance price is 4374.80 paisa in NSE, 473.45 paisa in BSE. So now see, in Axis Bank the price BSE price is higher than the NSE price, but in Bajaj Finance BSE price is lesser than the NSE price. So let's go with the Reliance. See, Reliance also BSE price is lesser than the NSE price. So this make us to make some decent money of profit, and it will help us to make some good amount. And you can go with the SBI. SBI both prices are same, but in this is actually this is the market price of this Friday. So this Friday date is around this is a Muhurta trading, maybe this is yesterday's Muhurta trading, I think so. So this may be sometime, if you go with the live market, right, when we are going with the live market, the prices will be almost, if you go with Bajaj Finance, at least it will be like 2 rupees, 3 rupees difference will be there. To capture 2 rupees, 3 rupees in Bajaj Finance, it will take some time. We need more time, and it is also risk, not risk, it is also like difficult to capture that money, right? So if you go with a decent paisa, like if you go with NSE and BSE, see, for example, think I am giving an example going with Axis Bank. So Axis Bank price is around 613.50 paisa. Think I bought on Monday, I bought at around 600 rupees. Let's go with an example. This is Axis Bank NSE. Okay, I will just cross check once. Yes, this is NSE. I am just popping it out. So think, for example, I bought any price. See, I bought at 500 and, or I will go, I think we'll bought at 600 only. I bought at 600, any price. You may go at higher or lower, any price. I'm just giving, I'm not here mentioning like which place to enter and exit. Okay, I'm not giving any tips and advisory services. I'm just telling you in which place can I entering. That's it. Okay, think I'm buying at 600 rupees at NSE. So on selling at yesterday closing price was around 613.15 paisa at NSE. Let's go with the Zerodha brokerage calculator. See, in equity delivery, I'm just going with the 600 rupees buying price. 613.15 is the selling price. Let's go with 500 quantities. Okay, so 500 quantities approximately, if you have around 3 lakhs, you could have easily bought by Axis Bank. Okay, so let's go with now I will just cross check. See, break even point is 1 rupee 35 paisa, means think you bought at 600 rupees and you are selling at 613 rupees 15 paisa. you are just paying 1 rupee 35 paisa. It's not 1 points, it's 1.35 paisa. It's not rupees, it's 1.35 paisa is a break even. Now how many points you captured? Here you are captured around 13 points, right? So in 13 points you are just paying 1.35 paisa as a brokerage itself. So your net profit is 5,899 rupees. See, I'm just going with equity contract note. It's a contract note. This is all the charges. The brokerage will be totally zero. Your buying price, your selling price, and your quantities. Your total profit is 6,575 rupees. You made this profit. In that, the government, all government charges, DP charges. About the charges, I am going to explain in another video. So that will help you to make the trades very good. Okay, and in net, this is the net profit and loss. So net profit and loss means after deducting all the charges, this is your actual profit. Okay, the brokerage as in Zerodha, they are not charging any brokerage. If you are going with exchange transaction charges, it is 19 rupees 71 paisa, stamp duty 45, TP 15.93, STT and SEBI charges and GST. This is all the government charges and the exchange charges. Okay, so here I need to explain. Let's go with BSE also. Okay, this is BSE. I will select BSE, buying around 600 and see what is a BSE price. See, for example, I bought it yesterday. Okay, so mainly why can we do this in intraday? No, we can't do it because delivery trades means the settlement time is around T plus 2 days, right? We can't do intraday. If you want to buy in one exchange and sell in another exchange, we can do on intraday. We need to do only on delivery. Okay, so in Axis Bank, BSE price is around 13 rupees 45 paisa, 600. In NSE, 30 rupees high, 30 paisa is higher, right? So I'm mentioning 613.45. Same quantities I'm going. Okay, I'm selected BSE. See, here the profits you made, right? 6,000. See, I will just close here. See, 5,899 excluded all the charges. Here 6,500. Easily you could have captured 100 and let me calculate. So you will be having an idea. So NSE, your net profit is 5,899.44 if you sold on NSE. Okay, apart from NSE, if you sold like in BSE, you could have easily made the profit like 6051. Sorry, I forgot to minus. Sorry, I forgot to minus 5,899.44 minus. By shuffling this windows, I just forgot to minus it. Okay, 6051.22. So easily I made profit of 151 rupees without doing anything. To capture 150 rupees, you need to wait for like around 1 day or 2 days or even 1 minute or even it may take 1 minute also. It is a time, right? Without doing anything, you could have easily made some profits. So see, this example is not for intraday and this is not any strategy. Okay? This is a this is only for equity delivery trade people who do on equity delivery trades, right? Only for them. Apart from selling on NSE and BSE, buying in NSE and selling on NSE itself, if you go like this, you could have easily made some profits also. Let me go cross check. You could have easily made profit also. And let me go with charges also. Okay, the charges will be like, oh sorry, I just got 2 contract notes. I created 2 contract notes. So NSE price is 600, selling at 613.15, quantity is 500. Go with the contract note. See, the brokerage charges us in NSE in 691.45, whereas in BSE 689. Here also you saved some 1 rupee or 1.5 rupee brokerage with making 1 rupee profit. 150 rupees profit easily without doing anything. I hope like you guys like this video. If you need any interesting videos or any information like this, kindly do like our channel and subscribe. Please activate notification for further updates. Thank you.